Y'all, on my way back from the ISOF event in Vegas. Had a great time. We saw a bunch of crazy stuff. We saw mortars, rockets, we saw machine guns, and saw a breaching company blow up a cement wall. So got to see a lot of crazy stuff. Got to meet a lot of top program managers and a lot of operators from all over the world. That was great. So hey to everybody that stopped by and talked to us. We did get to participate in the night shoot, and that was awesome. So we had our steel E-type out there at the Thales booth, had our retrofit kits where we heated up a bunch of the existing steel targets, and we used our upright thermal pasters to illuminate some of the other targets. So it's a great opportunity, got a lot of great feedback from everybody, so thanks so much for that. We are looking forward to ISOF next year. And now we're heading off to El Paso to the board tack. So we're going to be with the Customs and Border Patrol next week. So talk to you later. Thanks.